Hello, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to use Google Tasks that are embedded within your Google Calendar. Google Tasks are also available in your Gmail. You can access them in either app by clicking on this Tasks icon. So I'm going to show you how to create a task and then a few other tips. If I want to add a task, all I do is type in the name. I just do test task, and then I can add some details to it. Maybe something reminding me of what I'm supposed to do, a link. I can choose a task list that it goes on, so I'll show you that momentarily. I can also add a date and time. If I add a date and time, it doesn't just appear on my task list, it will actually appear in my calendar. So I'm going to make this February 18th, and it will go on my calendar, but I can also give it a time. And I can also choose to repeat it. So if it's something that I have to do every month, I don't need to create a task for each one of those items. All right. When I press OK, or actually I don't even need to, you'll see that that task appears on my calendar. I actually have a calendar that is just for tasks. You see that's the yellow calendar right here. I can also add subtasks. Task 1. So I might have a task and it might be broken up into several parts, so I can always add subtasks to that as well. If I want to access that, I can go back to tasks, or I can click on the task right from my calendar and view that. And then from there, you'll also notice I have the option to delete or to edit it, or to mark that I have done it. So I'll mark that as complete. And it shows on my calendar and it shows that it's done. Get rid of that. Down in the bottom right, it shows tasks that I have completed. And if I don't want to reference those or use those again, I can delete those. And one more thing that I would like to show you is I can create new lists. So one of the benefits of creating multiple lists is that you have different types of tasks that you do. You might have personal tasks, you might have work tasks. Maybe if you're a social studies teacher like I was, you might have tasks that you do for history, and you might have tasks that you do for global studies. And this is a way to keep your tasks organized and manage those tasks. Right? And again, anytime you want to delete a task or mark that it's complete, I just go back to my different task lists. I'll just go to tasks. You can delete them right from each list. So you'll see that's there. I can also rename lists. I can also delete a list if I want. So let's say that I wanted to delete the history list that I just made. And just go ahead and delete that list. So that's how you create a task list in Calendar and how you manage those lists. Thanks for watching.